Nature is full of surprises. While we all know about roses and oaks, there are some plants out there that look like aliens, act like animals, and have abilities you wouldn't believe. In today's video, we'll explore 20 of the strangest plants that actually exist, and trust me, you've probably never heard of most of them. Let's dive into this bizarre garden of Mother Nature. 1. Hydnora africana, the flesh-eating plant, 030. This plant from southern Africa looks like something from a horror movie. It grows underground, has no chlorophyll, and smells like rotten meat to attract beetles. When bugs enter, it traps them to ensure pollination. It's literally a trap disguised as a flower. 2. Welwitschia mirabilis, the plant that never dies, 110. Native to Namibia's desert. This prehistoric plant can live over 1,000 years. It has just 2 leaves that grow continuously, shredded by desert winds. Despite the heat and dry air, it thrives on fog water. It's more like a living fossil than a normal plant. 3. Rafflesia arnoldi, the corpse flower Onosynxi, found in Southeast Asia. This is the largest individual flower in the world, growing up to 3 feet across. But beauty isn't its thing. It smells like a rotting corpse to attract flies for pollination. It also has no leaves, stems, or roots. It's a parasitic blob. 4. Mimosa pudica, the shy plant, 230, also called the touch-me-not. This plant literally moves when you touch it. Its leaves fold inward in seconds, possibly to scare away predators. It reacts to touch, temperature, and even light, almost like it has a nervous system. 5. Lithops, the living stones, 3-wire. These tiny succulents from Africa evolved to look like stones or pebbles, helping them hide from herbivores. They blend in so well you might step on them. Each stone is a pair of leaves that split open to reveal flowers. 6. Dracaena cinnabari, the dragon blood tree, 340, found only on Socotra Island. This alien-looking tree has an umbrella shape and bleeds red sap when cut, earning its name. This dragon blood was used in ancient medicine, dye, and even magic rituals. 7. Tacachantrieri, the bat flower, 420. This spooky flower from Southeast Asia has bat-shaped petals and long whiskers. It looks like a flying creature made of dark velvet. Some call it the black orchid, but it's not an orchid at all. It thrives in humid, shady forests. 2. Psychotria elata, the hooker lips plant, 455. Before it blooms, this plant from Central America grows bright red bracts that look like plump, human lips puckering for a kiss. It's nicknamed hot lips and attracts hummingbirds and butterflies. But due to deforestation, it's becoming rare. Sign, Amorphophallus titanum, Titan arum, 535. Another giant. This plant is known as the Titan arum or corpse plant. It can grow over 10 feet tall, and it stinks like dead animals during its brief bloom. People line up in botanical gardens just to smell how awful it is. Dolonepenthes raja, monkey cup. This carnivorous pitcher plant from Borneo can hold up to 3.5 liters of fluid. It's so big that rats and lizards have been found dead inside. Its sweet scent lures animals, and its slippery sides make escape impossible. 11. Desmodium gyrans, the dancing plant. Also called the telegraph plant, it actually moves its leaves rapidly in response to music, touch, or sunlight. Some people play guitar next to it just to watch it dance. Scientists believe it helps with photosynthesis or heat control. 12th Wolffia, the smallest flowering plant. You can barely see this one with the naked eye. Wolffia floats on still water and is smaller than a grain of rice. Despite its size, it can reproduce rapidly and is super nutritious. Some even call it green caviar. 13 Victoria amazonica, the giant water lily. With leaves that span over 10 feet wide, this water lily can hold the weight of a small child. Native to the Amazon, it also changes color from white to pink as it matures, and its underside is covered with sharp spines to deter fish. 14. Myrmecodia, the ant plant. This weird plant has hollow stems and chambers inside that act as a home for ants. In return, ants protect the plant from predators and even feed it with their waste. It's a perfect example of mutualism. 15. Puya chilensis, the sheep-eating plant. Legend has it that this spiky plant traps animals like sheep in its thorny leaves. When the animal dies and decomposes at its base, the plant absorbs nutrients from the soil. Whether it's true or myth, it's still intimidating. 16. Clathrus arcari, devil's fingers. This fungus, often mistaken for a plant, bursts out of an egg-like sac with red, finger-like arms. It smells like rotting flesh and looks like something out of a nightmare. It's native to Australia but has spread worldwide. 17. Codariocalix matorius, the semaphore plant. Similar to the dancing plant, this one moves its small side leaves in a waving motion, like it's signaling with flags. The movements are fastest under light or music. Scientists think it's a way to communicate or manage sunlight. 18. Baobab tree, the tree of life. Found in Africa and Madagascar, baobabs look like trees growing upside down with roots in the air. They can store thousands of liters of water in their trunks, which animals and people rely on during droughts. 19. Albuca spiralis, the frizzle sizzle. This adorable South African plant grows corkscrew-shaped leaves that look like curly fries. It also smells like vanilla when in bloom. Its unusual spiral shape helps reduce sun exposure in its dry habitat. 20. Actaea pachypoda dulcis. Found in North American forests, this plant produces white berries with black dots that look exactly like eyeballs staring back at you. But beware, they're highly toxic and even small amounts can stop a human heart. So which one shocked you the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content.